the next thing we're going to want to do is be able to support an administrative user. Now that we limit editing users to the people who are logged in and deleting users to the people who are logged in, it can be a real pain if you want to go and change some other user if you're the controller of the site. And so we want to add additional functionality that will allow someone to have those permissions built into their account. So what we're going to do here is we're going to build a couple of tests in our model, and then we'll make those work, and then we'll add some functionality in our feature specs. So let's go to our model. So edit spec models user. It's going to be very simple. What we're going to do is that when we create a user, we're going to have an admin attribute, and by default that user should not be admin. And I'm using the same part of our spec that we use with bValid. Remember, there's a valid question mark. For any Boolean attribute, there's that attribute question mark, and so we can call bAdmin that and check if that's true. The other thing that we want to do then is we do want to be able to create an administrative user. So let's go to the end of our specs down here, and we're going to be able to have an administrator account, and so we need to create a user, and let's use factory girl. And instead of creating user, what we're going to do is we're going to have a special symbol that tells it to create factory girl. And what we're going to do here is we're going to specify that our admin, expect our admin to be admin, and that will allow us to be able to create an administrator if we want. So let's go ahead and run our tests, and we'll do that to make sure that these two new tests that we created fail. We might even have a failure in compiling because factory girl, we haven't told factory girl how to make this admin person yet. So now it's running, and it's trying to run all these tests, and what we see are most of our tests passing like they should, but we see these two failures right here. We don't know how to make factory girl, and we've never heard of this admin question mark method before. So we have exactly what we expect. Our future episode is now going to pass these two tests.